Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Voice and this is Chris. So Huawei has just announced their P40 series of smartphones on the market and we have the P40 Pro over here for an unboxing. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. The P40 series of smartphones come in three variants: the P40, the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus. Inside the box, you get the phone, a clear case, a SIM ejector tool, a 40-watt supercharger, the USB Type-C cable, and a pair of earphones with a USB Type-C connector. Now, let's see the phone itself. The overall look and feel of the phone is quite fresh, and the build quality is excellent as always. This one is the P40 Pro in silver frost color. On the front, you get an OLED screen measuring 6.58 inches in size. As you can see over here, the bezels are almost negligible since the phone offers a 91.6% screen to body ratio. The P40 Pro weighs 203 grams. It is also IP68 certified for dust and water resistance for up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. And here's the plus point. The P40 Pro is also a 5G smartphone. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which can be further expanded. On the right side of the phone, you get the volume rockers and the power button. And on the top edge, you get an IR blaster and a noise cancelling microphone. On the bottom of the device, you get a dual SIM slot, the speaker grill and a second noise cancelling microphone. The device is powered by Huawei's Kirin 990 5G chipset with Mali G76 MP16 GPU. The P40 Pro comes with quad cameras. This includes a 32 megapixel autofocus camera, an IR depth camera and a 40 megapixel ultra-wide cine camera. You also get 5x optical zoom, 10x of hybrid zoom and 50x of super zoom capabilities. In addition, you also get an ISO rating of up to 51,200 and you can shoot slow motion videos at a frame rate of 7,680 FPS. The P40 Pro also supports Wi-Fi 6 Plus technology for faster and more stable wireless internet connectivity. You also get wireless charging capabilities. The P40 Pro is priced at 3,499 dirhams and will be available for pre-orders from 2nd April. As a special pre-order deal, you will get 2,099 dirhams worth of accessories for free. This includes a Huawei Watch GT2, one-time screen replacement in the first 6 months, a P40 Pro flip cover, and VIP service. The phone will be available on the shelves from 9th April onwards. For more information, log on to gadgetvoice.com. So that was the unboxing of the P40 Pro. If you like the video, please like, share and comment below. And subscribe to our channel for more videos. And stay tuned for the full review on gadgetvoice.com.